Welcome again to our second Christmas song. Karibu sana. Nwanyito ugeni. Rwimbo rwa keri, second song. Christmas toine. Christmas, let us sing. I wanted to say song. Sorry. So, this is the English version of Christmas, Christmas, everybody sing. So, in Kikuyu is Christmas, Christmas, idwothe toine. Christmas, Christmas, idwothe toine. Christmas, Christmas, idwothe toine. Christmas, Christmas, idwothe toine. Christmas, Christmas, todo nguthe. Christmas, Christmas, todo nguthe. Christmas, Christmas, todo nguthe. Christmas, Christmas, todo nguthe. So, godogotha is dance, okay? Like this, dance. That is godogotha. Toine is sing. Idwothe is all of us. So that is our second Christmas song. Merry Christmas. Enjoy your time. God bless you.